Near Three Rivers, Texas, a welding mishap ignites a fire in an oil storage tank. It seems that the blaze is nearly out, and firemen continue hosing it down. They're unaware that the water's going to cause a bigger problem. The intense heat turns the water into steam. That, in turn, heats the oil even more rapidly. If the temperature exceeds 400 degrees Celsius, the tank will explode. When the critical temperature is reached, a huge blast of heat spreads out. The explosive fire radiates heat so intense that people more than 200 meters away suffer third-degree burns. Breathless bystanders who escape the searing heat are certain there must be serious injuries.
I guess family's headed this way. The people down are gonna be burned bad.
Even the cameraman gives up his lockdown tripod shot and runs. The wave of heat and scalding steam singes people in seconds, sending them running for their lives. Although 22 people suffered second and third degree burns, no lives were lost as the storage tank was destroyed in seconds.
Oh, look at all that fucking smoke, bro.
Jesus Christ, you can feel the fucking heat from that already.
Fucking building is torching. Whatever that is, it's torching.
That's what I said, whatever's on that train.
Damn, that shit look crazy.
But they said the train derailed and ran into that building.
Niggas setting shit on fire.
They're getting explosions, man.
Fucking smoke cloud.
It's getting hotter too, so whatever it is going to go.
Oh my God, that shit look crazy.
That's what is a train?
Imagine a nigga get burnt like that. I don't know.
How far away you think we are?
Back up. Oh my God. Oh! Hey, yo, roll the window.
Come on, man.
Roll the windows up and shit. Roll the windows up. Shut the sound read. Shut the sound read. Damn!
Fucking, I felt that blow
That shit
my back
blew the
of my
fuck
head
up.
like that when I turned
I had a
around.
feeling something was gonna blow.
Oh!
Damn!
Oh my God. Look, I was recording that whole shit. I wonder if I got it.
What? Did you feel it? Boy, I felt it.
God damn!
Yo, that shit crazy.
Damn,
Damn! What the fuck was flaming?
There's a train derailment that happened 1.5 miles northeast of the town of Luther. Closest intersection is Dobbs and Covell. It runs right along Hogback Road, Burlington Northern Railways. So again, people, if their children are not getting home when they expect them, this may be the cause because they are shutting down more and more county roads around this area. I'm seeing they're moving up more water tankers to the east now, trying to get them in on these little oil field roads and stuff, and to get them staged until they find out exactly what they're going to do. They're going to have to wait for Burlington Northern to get on scene, Lance. That's the thing. They just can't rush in here and do this. They're having to wait for the Burlington Northern people to get on scene to evaluate what these cars were actually carrying. They have a manifest of what every rail car is carrying on this train, so they'll have to get that manifest and go through it and find out what car is derailed, what number on the car is derailed, what that particular car was carrying, and then they can assess with the fire crews exactly how they're going to fight this thing. Lance, back to you. Look how that's blowing out now. It's blowing out more towards your horsehead pump right now. So again, there's something spewing out of the bottom of that tank now. You can see it rupturing and blowing towards that horsehead pump, so it's even gotten closer. Oh, we just had a pan back. We just had a huge explosion. We just had a huge explosion here. That's just incredible. Oh, luckily there wasn't no firefighters within very close. I'm getting the heat off of it through my window here. This is it just exploded just moments ago when Kevin was zoomed in there tight. I looked out my window and it just erupted. This is incredible. I mean, Lance, we can't say how lucky we are that this happened where it happened in this rural area. If this happened in a residential area or down in the town of Luther, there's no telling what we would have lost out of this. But again, something has just exploded and just erupted in this, and it has got a fireball that is unbelievable. So again, this is what you're dealing with, Lance. This is why everybody's pulling back. They even pulled the fire trucks that were on Hogback Road about a quarter mile to a half mile away. They pulled them back now, back to Covell. So again, they're having to deal with just a major problem here until they find out exactly what is burning here.
Tak, no spray najlepszy widok jest.
Ja myślę, że to jest kwestia pół godziny, patrząc na stację, z której ona jedzie, bo słyszałem, że ona jedzie aż z Małkini, więc...